Lesson 10, video 2. We continue with the second bracha of Shmona Esrei called Gevurot, which talks about Hashem's strength and might. We know that during the winter months, beginning with Shmini Atzeret, the last day of Sukkot, and continuing all the way till Pesach, we are supposed to insert Mashiv Haruach Umarid HaGoshem into this particular bracha. What happens if a person by mistake forgets to say Mashiv Haruach Umarid HaGoshem? Does that make his bracha invalid, no good? The answer is yes. If he forgets Mashiv Haruach Umarid HaGoshem, halacha is Choser LeRosh, start over from the beginning of Shmona Esrei. But it's not quite as simple. Let's look at this more closely. Again, the person is supposed to be saying Mashiv Haruach. By mistake, he forgets. He's continuing along and he's saying Mechalkel Chayim Bechesed, and all of a sudden it dawns on him, I forgot to say Mashiv Haruach Umarid HaGoshem. He remembers at that point after the word Bechesed. So what should he do? Does he have to go back to the beginning? The answer is no. As long as he's still in the middle of this bracha, he could actually insert that phrase right now, Mashiv Haruach Umarid HaGoshem, and just continue Mechayeh Meitim. Let's say he remembers a little bit later on, after he says Barachamim Rabim, he realizes, I forgot to say Mashiv Haruach. Halacha is the same. He could insert the phrase right there and then continue. Let's say he's already at the point towards the end of the bracha. He says, "V'ne'eman atah lahachayot meitim." He's about to conclude the bracha, and he remembers, oh no, I forgot to say Mashiv Haruach Umarid HaGoshem. Halacha is, you guessed it, he could say Mashiv Haruach Umarid HaGoshem right at that point. And now for something surprising. Let's say he concludes Baruch Atah Hashem Mechayeh HaMeitim. The halacha actually states that at that point he could even say Mashiv Haruach Umarid HaGoshem and continue. However, what is the point of no return? When is it too late? When does he absolutely have to return to the beginning? Well, if he started saying the next bracha, he said the word Atah, even just that word. Once he says the word Atah, he has really completed the previous bracha, he has begun the next bracha, and therefore, if he remembers at that point, start over from the beginning of Shmona Esrei.